Hey, can y'all believe this?
To me in my hands.
No, I'm not presenting it. I'm gonna display it to you. Don't scare me like that. You asked me if I'm on probation or parole. Get up out of here. Is your mama on probation or parole?
Is your mama on probation or parole?
Your daddy on probation or parole?
Probation or parole? Nope.
I'm your boss.
Nope.
How was that?
I'm a citizen.
Let me guess.
I'm a citizen.
Salary with your taxes?
I pay taxes, yes.
Yeah? Okay.
In this encounter, the driver asserts his right to display his documents without handing them over. He challenges the officer's demand, stating, "I ain't giving you, I can display it to you," asserting control of his property while still complying. This approach aligns with his understanding of the law, as drivers must present documents, but are not always required to hand them over physically under certain circumstances. The tension builds as the driver expertly maintains control of the situation, frustrating the officers.
Give me in my hands.
No, I'm not presenting you shit. I'm gonna display it to you. Anything else you need?
Do you have insurance?
Yes, I do.
Get your insurance card and your registration, please.
I copy you a little quantity, but
Write the ticket. Go ahead. I ain't giving you shit. I can display it to you. If you got a problem with it, let me know. Now do your job. Don't scare me like that. You just fucking scared me.
You actually
So?
scared.
Don't do it. Stop, man.
The officer violated the driver's Fourth Amendment rights, which protect individuals from unreasonable searches and seizures, by reaching inside his vehicle. She could face legal consequences if he files a lawsuit.
Sir, stop reaching for stuff.
I'm trying to get you that mother's license. Out of here, lady.
She got her hand on her gun.
Stop reaching for
Tracy.
anything. It's fake. I need to touch it and make
I know you.
sure that
It's not fake. It's not
don't
fake.
know that if you don't present it to me.
Hey, this lady say my driver's license is fake. Stop knocking on my motherfucking window. All right, I'll step out. Thank you.
Unlock the door.
Hey, back up, son.
No.
I ain't getting out then.
Okay.
Hey, she won't let me child endangerment.
Sir, unlock your door.
I'm talking to
Unlock your door.
Let me talk to your
Step out of the
sergeant.
vehicle.
Give me your sergeant.
No.
Give me your sergeant, man.
Sergeant, when you go to county jail.
I'll go to county jail
Okay,
later.
let's go. Open the door.
Oh, you arresting me?
Yeah, actually, this is arrestable. You're failing to present me your driver's license.
When the officers attempt to escalate by threatening arrest, the driver uses his knowledge of the law to counter them. "I showed you my driver license on your camera," he states, confirming that he has complied with the officer's requests. By recording his compliance, the driver ensures that any escalation is on record, further neutralizing the officer's threats.
Oh, you arresting me?
Yeah, actually, this is arrestable. You're failing to present me your driver's license.
Hey, I showed you my driver's license on your camera.
And you failed to stop at a stop sign.
Okay, a stop
Or
sign.
red light.
Okay, first of all,
Red
you
light,
say I
sorry.
failed to stop at a stop sign, correct?
No. So,
Did you just say that? Did you just say I failed to stop to a stop sign, correct? Yes or no?
yes, but it's a red light.
Okay, it's a red light violation. It's a ticket, man. Stop acting like I'm so aggressive. I'm complying with everything you asked me to, lawfully.
Out of the vehicle, sir.
Okay, back up some then.
Huh?
Back up some.
Okay, let's go.
More.
I backed up. No, I'm good right here.
No, the door won't slam over.
No, it's not.
Come on, tell her to back up so I get out the car. Tell her to back up. Nuh-uh. Tell her to back up so I get out the car.
This is what we're doing.
Tell her to back up. I know what this is what I'm doing.
Listen.
Tell her to back up so I can get out the car for y'all.
She's backed up enough. Step up.
I'm gonna step out.
All right, go for it.
Move.
Why are you scared of me?
Cause you got a gun on you. You talking about putting it on me.
They all have guns too.
Just step out.
The driver continuously highlights the officer's intimidation tactics, calling out her nervous behavior when she places her hand on her gun, emphasizing his calm compliance amidst their escalations. According to Graham v. Connor, law enforcement must use force that is objectively reasonable under the circumstances. And here, the officer's apparent fear is excessive. By acknowledging the officer's overreaction, the driver places himself in the dominant position.
Step up.
I'm gonna step out.
All right, go for it.
Move.
Why are you scared of me?
Cause you got a gun on you. You talking about putting it on me.
They all have guns too.
Just step out.
I'm gonna step out. Tell her to back up some.
Let's go. Open the door.
Open the door.
Let me grab my license.
No, it's good right there. I'll get it later.
I don't want you in my car. Embarrassing that she unprofessional.
Let's switch uniforms. You can tell me how to do my job.
Hell yeah, I can tell you how to do your job. I tell you what to do.
I'm sure you do.
Well, of course.
I'd love to drive a Beamer too.
You might got one already. Ask me if I'm on probation or parole. Get the fuck up out of here. Is your mama on probation or parole?
Is your mama on probation or parole?
Your daddy on probation or parole?
Probation or parole?
Is your kids on probation or parole?
Actually, my kids are not, because I teach them by example.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You don't teach them. They gonna see the bullshit that you do. You ain't right. You ain't right. None of y'all sheriffs is right. Y'all wrong. We don't need y'all in this community.
Act right, Terry. Why don't you act right?
That's not my name.
So sad for your
What's your
kids.
name then? So you give me false information?
What you just said. Repeat yourself.
Is that false information that you gave me?
Check this out.
Whose driver's license is that if that's not you?
What's your mama name?
You sound ridiculous.
I know. You sound ridiculous calling me some fucking Terry.
You sound ridiculous.
Terry is not my name. How about that?
What's your name?
I don't answer questions.
You're with this? You like to deal with this type of man? You like this as an example for your children?
Hey, I'm good. I'm a good man. You probably ain't even got no man. You probably beat your man, huh? You probably beat your wife too, huh? Hey, can y'all believe this?
There's the car.
Why y'all want to get me out the car if this is the ticket?
You're being detained.
Okay, I'm cool with that.
All right, just step out.
I don't want to step out.
Let me see your driver's license.
All right, can I get it?
Dropped it.
Can I get it for you, Mara?
No. You're gonna step out.
Why?
You don't feel comfortable.
I don't feel comfortable either.
I understand that.
Hey, stop. That's that shit that you did the first time. It's right here. Everything is right here. You already know who I am.
I don't know who you are.
You just said it.
I'm just going off of this.
This is true. This is me.
Anybody. This could be anybody. So just step out, open the door, step out. We can do our job, and you'll be on your way.
The gun out on me here. Hey,
He just got out.
he just got out because y'all scared him.
Really? That small? That small?
He just got out. He just got out. Swear to God.
You can get out of his restraint that small?
He just got out. He's smart. He's smart.
German situation?
Is your mama in child endangerment? You hear this motherfucker talk about take my ticket so I can get on, man.
Sir, if I can have you sign this ticket. Your ticket date for court is going to be March 2022, and you just sign this. You're not admitting guilt, you're just promising to appear.
I like her. She a
Good court, Tracy.
I'll see your ass too.
Give me some overtime. Thank you.
I'll feel overtime. Sarge, get out of my way, man.
In this encounter, the driver masterfully uses humor, legal knowledge, and strategic compliance to dismantle the officer's intimidation tactics, turning the situation from an attempted rights violation into a public display of their incompetence. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.